If you're like me and you store different images on multiple hard drives or devices, duplicate images are eventually going to pop up. Now there's a fast and easy way to find and remove duplicate images from any folder that you store your photography in. Free up space and time with the all-new Smart Organize mode in PhotoRAW 2021. If you have a large photo library and have been working on multiple hard drives with edits and original files, there's a large chance that you have duplicate images. Using the new Smart Organize feature inside On1 PhotoRAW 2021, we can quickly find duplicate images and remove them instantly. I'm going to search inside my current folder here that I'm working on to find any duplicate images that may exist. And in an instant, it's found a bunch of them. From here, I can flag them as duplicates inside of my folders, or I can just have Smart Organize remove them for me. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, I've found and deleted all of the duplicates from this folder, saving me so much time when organizing my photo library. Get all of these features and more with On1 PhotoRAW 2021 or On1 PhotoRAW 360.